For the repair of the Osaka control motor, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply, a 4 to 20 mA input, and a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. As we manipulate the input signal, the motor rotates to the desired position. The motor stops in both occasions as we supply the minimum and maximum input signal, and we can also see the output signal of the motor on the multimeter that matches the input signal that we supplied it with. It is now clear that the motor is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.